In this video we are talking about if Avax is going to the upside again or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see, we are right now in this demand zone where we saw the move to the last all-time high, and always as we came back into this demand zone right here, we saw this bullish reaction to the upside. And at the prices right now we are seeing that we are coming under this demand zone, which is not a good sign for Avax. But after that we saw this move to the upside and we are right now in the middle of this demand zone. As we go on the daily time frame, you can see that we built this range right here, which is building since August. And on the one hand we have this high right here where we always saw resistance. We didn't saw a body close over this last resistance here, we just saw this wicks. So the chances high that we took some stop loss orders which were above this high right here. And always if we are seeing this wicks above this highs and if we are fishing some stop loss, the chances high that we are going into the other direction. And as you can see, we are right now at this place. We saw this wick right here. So the chance that we are going now to the upside to lower levels is also given. And as we go on the other side, we have this low right here. And as we came back in the region of this last low, we also saw this low right here. We saw this wicks under this low, but not a body close. And then we saw this bullish move to the upside. So I think if we are breaking either to the upside or to the downside, that we are then seeing an explosion move. But now the question is the chance higher that we are going to the upside or do we see a move to lower levels? I think the chance is higher that we are going to the upside again because we are seeing this higher low right here. So it shows that this last high right here was so strong that we are seeing a lower low from it. And now the chance is very high if we are going over this resistance. And if we are seeing a daily or weekly body close, and in the best case that we are seeing the break of this last high right here, then the chance is very high that we are seeing an explosion to the upside. And if we are seeing an explosion to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we are seeing some rejection in this zone right here, because from this last high we saw this move to the downside and we made a lower low. So we saw the bearish break of structure. So technically this supply zone is very strong. So I think the chance if we are breaking to the upside and coming into the supply zone, that then the chance is high that we see a bearish reaction to the downside again. But if anything interesting happens for Avax, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Avax. So all in all, I think that we are seeing a massive move in the next days and weeks. And it depends if we are breaking this range to the upside or if we are breaking this range to the downside. But I think the chance is higher that we are going to the upside because we made a higher low right here. So technically this high is not strong. And if we are breaking to the upside and we see a daily or weekly body close, then the chance is high that we are seeing even higher levels. And I think the chance is high that we are finding some resistance at the supply zone. So it would be a good place to take some profits because from the supply zone we saw this bearish move to the downside and we saw a lower low. So it was a bearish break of structure. So the chance is high if we are coming into this zone that we are seeing some rejection to the downside again. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.